All programs will resume shortly after this April Fool's broadcast.
Hey, it's officially April Fool's.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's April Fool's. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, Paul, there's a roach on your hair.
Where, Donna? Where?
April Fools.
Oh my God. That was the funniest April Fool's joke I've ever heard from Donna.
I know, right? That was real funny.
You know what? I think we should end the broadcast. I'm already sweating because of the laughter. Facts. That was funny. Anyways, April Fools, everybody. All normal operations will now resume.